What's up, my fellow traders? Hope you all having an awesome day. A quick one here on nat gas, gold, silver, crude oil. Starting with natural gas, a very good week so far in regards with my trades, which I will leave for the weekend's video. What I've done, how I've taken the trades, how I've managed some good badass trades. But for now, let's look at natural gas. So as per my yesterday's video, price has rejected from 50 and 3-year to retracement, then pushed back down. Now the target was exactly at level 1 right here, or fib level, and the target to the bigger target is 1.618 retracement, where I'm expecting a price to head to. So for the aggressive trader, the entry was right here, or 3-year to retracement. For the target was level 1 or 1.618 retracement if you want to manage your trades by moving your stop loss to break even and run risk free. So that is very aggressive entry, and aggressive entries are very risky, especially for nat gas. So for now, feel free to exit your trades if the price come here, or manage and move your stop loss to break even to 1.618 retracement. Now there is still a very likely chance the price will give you a good breather and a pullback. That is a less aggressive entry I'm talking about, which is my engulfing candle, which I've mentioned yesterday. So that is all I'm looking at. So very simple, we are only taking trending trade in a pullbacks. Right here we had a pullback, here a bearish engulfer, now we had a pullback, right here a bounce, and then we are expecting another pullback, and then we can see a continuation towards the downside. We do have some levels below here on Owanda, that is 2.527, that goes down to 2.500. Now it is not the strongest level, but it is a level from where we can see some reaction and then a fall, and then the next level, which is right here, a pullback and keep on pushing down. So that is something I want to mention as well. Keep an eye on this level, otherwise I'm not taking buy trades as long as we are trading below 50 EMA and we are in a nice bearish momentum. Now we had a strong bearish momentum candle as well, so I'm expecting a pullback and then a continuation. So we have strong bearish pressure, and that is why I'm only looking to sell this market. Strong big candles are forming, that shows a strong selling pressure. So I'm not looking to buy, only looking to sell. Aggressive entry has been triggered all the way to the targets I have mentioned. So while I was recording this video, I also found the price is just forming a bear flag pattern. So solid breakout below and close is also an entry which I use for my discretionary trading in case you're not using Fibonacci levels or a pullback entries. That is something is worth watching as well. A solid candle breakout is also a signal the price will push down. A breakout above will be a temporary move to 50 EMA, and then we can see a possible bearish conditions only. So that is what we can also keep an eye on all the platforms. On capital.com, we have a slim level which is right here, or a wide one, which is 2.597 goes to 2.657, a level from where we can expect some reaction and then a continuation towards the downside. In case you wanted to go for the day trades or a scalp, that is a level I would go for to take my buy entry. So keep an eye, these are levels on capital.com. Otherwise all the conditions are same. And on EMX, 2.216 goes up to 2.266. This level is quite far, but that is all I'm looking at. I'm not looking to buy till we get to this level, or till the price dramatically broke above due to some sort of news event, and price will likely to push down. Now I will keep an eye on the weekend's news, what happens, how the talks goes, and I'll keep you guys informed in my weekend video what you can expect. We might see a massive gap down opening as well over the weekend, so I'll keep you guys informed if I see some signals according to some fundamentals. So for now, we have the level below right here, and I'm expecting a price to head to 1.618 retracement. Already triggered aggressive entry, and this is the level I'm looking at for the price to get to level 1 and 1.618 retracement. Otherwise, pullback entry bearish is something for the less aggressive trader. MCX guys, we are now broken, about to break below the zone. It's not completely broken, but for you guys, if the price rejects from here, exactly from here, forms a green candle or complete double bottom, then expect a bounce. Overall, we are bearish and we are not looking to buy for the long term. I'm only bearish till the level below, which is right here on MCX audience. And for you guys, it's 218, that goes up to 223. That is a level for MCX audience if you are looking at to buy next. Exactly right here. For now, the good entries will be a pullback and bearish engulfer to go short only. I'm only expecting some pullbacks and continuation towards the downside. Next up, we have gold. It's still trading in between the symmetrical triangle pattern. So at this point, we are now looking at gold, but I'm also looking at gold and silver ratio to look for my confluence. Now, when the gold and silver ratio is bearish, as you can see, we are getting a retest of the ratio, means we're going to likely see a fall out of ratio. The fall here means a rise in silver and a rise in gold. Mainly the silver react nicely from the ratio. So if the price start to push us down from here, you will see a more reaction from silver than gold. So at this point, if you have not seen my video how to trade gold and silver in confluence with ratio, it is in my playlist and you can see the card up there somewhere in my video. Click on the card and see how I trade gold and silver with the ratio confluence. So looking at that, ratio is bearish, mean gold and silver will likely to push up. At this point, silver is above 50 EMA. If the next candle turns out to be engulfing candle on 4 hour, that is my buy signal and I will be going long at least till here. But my initial targets will be 180R always for commodities. That is something I do, and then move my stop loss to break even to go to the next target. So next candle will decide. Engulfer will confirm the upside move. If there is no engulfer and price break below and close below with one more red candle, then we are no longer looking for buy trades. Then we can see a possible fall down to this green zone. For now, just to avoid some distractions, I'll be removing the green zone because that is no longer valid for me at this point. That is just a minor level or a swing lows. So for now, a major zone is right at this level in green. That is quite lower. That is from where I'll be looking to buy this market if the price break below 50 EMA. So for now, keep an eye. Next candle turns out to be a bullish engulfer, then we are going long. Otherwise, break below 50 EMA with solid few red candles, we're going to start to look for bearish trades only. Same goes with gold. If the price breaks above, then we have a buy signal. Silver will likely push the gold higher as well if there is an entry condition on silver. If that happens, that is an aggressive entry. I'll keep my stop loss below, but that is very risky and discretionary style of trading. If we are broken below, in that case, we are pushing down. In the weekend's video, I'm going to show you how the aggressive entry from the triangle pattern performs and how the less aggressive entry performs and the risk in aggressive and less aggressive entries. So make sure you watch the weekend's video. It's going to be really good and interesting. So for now, keep looking for the breakout above or below and keep looking for the ratio confluence as well and silver engulfer as well. Finally, we have crude oil is pushing down. As you can see, we had an aggressive entry triggered and that is aggressive entry pushed down. Now we might be getting a retest of this triangle pattern that was broken, and if we have a bearish engulfer here, that will be below 50 EMA as well. That will be a strongest entry to go short using 180R for the target. That is all we are looking at, only bearish trades with conditions, and we are bearish till these levels I mentioned in my last video. It's still the same level, and if you're looking here on capital.com, only pullback entry bearish. I'm looking at below 50 EMA. That is all I'm looking at till the level below right here from where I'll be buying this market. So I'm not buying as long as we are trending nicely below 50 EMA and we are not broken above 50 EMA, only then I'll start to buy off from this level. For now, only pullback entry bearish is something I'll be looking at. So that's it for today's update. Hope you got a value, and if there's a condition, I'll keep you guys informed. If you're a member, I'll upload the members only video in my YouTube so that you can see what to expect for different commodities like wheat, palladium, platinum, all that stuff I'll upload in members only video, including nat gas and some other forex pairs. I hope you trade green and have an awesome weekend. You guys take care.